How would you choose the ideal knife? First, it's got to be pretty damn sharp. Some knives slice, some carve, and others just look cool, if nothing else. Unfortunately, even the best one can't do it all, unless you like to practice samurai skills on every unsuspecting tomato. This is the Flagship Ultimate Knife. It's the universal kitchen instrument that does it all. This knife is a visually stunning blend of form, function, and a fantastically sharp edge. Our idea was to create the best-looking knife, the jewel of your kitchen collection. Flagship is forged from 67 layers of super durable Damascus steel and will never lose its edge. The handle is finished with rock-hard fiberglass that will not get scratched or faded. Flagship's universal design is based on a very unique formula. We've created a knife that's the perfect length, width, and size for any of your kitchen needs. It's made to go from serving utensil to chef-worthy tool in a split second. We added a serrated area to cut through hard stuff and a special bolster to protect from unintended cuts. With a sleek, ergonomic handle, it feels like an extension of your hand, no matter how large or small your arm is. Each Flagship knife is uniquely patterned, so you can be sure that you'll have one that's yours and yours alone. Needless to say, it's made to last a lifetime, as any other Flagship products. It's easy to assume that innovation like this comes at a hefty investment. We all know quality has a price tag. Fortunately, not in this case. Our team spent a whole year looking for the best partners to work with and optimizing costs and production. We negotiated the best pricing and are now offering them to you. The test batch of Flagship knives is already manufactured. Today, we are ready to deliver Flagship knives at costs that equally impressive knives simply can't cut. Would you like to see this elegant knife on a countertop near you? Then help us fund it and get ready to never use another knife again.